The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is poised to redefine aerial cinematography with its advanced features and cutting-edge technology. As the latest addition to DJI's esteemed Mavic series, this drone is designed to cater to both professional filmmakers and drone enthusiasts seeking top-tier performance. Loyalty drones. +2. Loyalty drones. +2. Tech radar. +2. Rocket anticipated release date. Recent reports indicate that the DJI Mavic 4 Pro's release has been rescheduled to May 13, 2025. This adjustment follows a leaked internal email suggesting a delay from the initially rumored April launch. The delay is attributed to finalizing product details and ensuring optimal performance upon release. Camera with flash camera innovations. The Mavic 4 Pro is expected to feature a triple camera system with focal lengths of 28mm, 70mm, and 168mm, allowing for versatile shooting options ranging from wide-angle landscapes to detailed close-ups. The drone is also rumored to support 6K video recording, providing ultra-high-definition footage suitable for professional projects. Enhanced battery life. One of the standout features is the extended flight time, with the Mavic 4 Pro reportedly offering up to 52 minutes of flight on a single charge. This improvement is facilitated by a new 95.3 Wh battery, maximizing airtime for prolonged shooting sessions. Advanced remote controller. Accompanying the drone is the new DJI RC Pro 2 controller, boasting a 7-inch tilting touchscreen for intuitive control and real-time monitoring. This controller is designed to enhance user experience, providing seamless interaction with the drone's advanced features. Moneybag pricing and packages. The Mavic 4 Pro is expected to be available in several packages to suit different user needs. Standard package with DJI RC2, approximately $2,250. Fly More combo, approximately $3,200, including additional batteries and accessories. Creator combo, approximately $4,400, featuring 512 GB internal storage and the DJI RC Pro 2 controller. Notable features. Electronic ND filter system. Eliminates the need for physical ND filters, allowing for on-the-fly adjustments to exposure settings. 360 degrees gimbal movement. Provides unparalleled flexibility in camera angles, enabling creative shot compositions. Rapid charging. Capable of charging 3 intelligent flight batteries in just 90 minutes, minimizing downtime between flights. Global availability. While the official release is anticipated for May 13, 2025, availability may vary by region. Potential buyers are encouraged to check with local DJI retailers or the official DJI website for specific release information pertinent to their location.